How to get unlimited points absolutely for free in Brandly. This method is updated and working in 2023 for Android or iOS device. As you can see, for my account is already generated unlimited amount of points. So how you do it? It's so simple. As you can see, now I don't have unlimited points. So how you do it? It's easy. Open your favorite browser and follow me. This website allowed you to download Brandly mod who allowed you to generate unlimited amount of points for your account. Enter our email address, select our device, press download. Now as you can see, everything is installed for my mobile devices. Okay, and now as you can see, this application modded version of Brandly is already installed. All you need to do in this application, we must enter amount of points as you want. The next step is press go. And now as you can see, everything is generated. Way to complete of this process. After finish, this is the last step, and as you can see, everything is complete. So open our account and check our balance, and boom, look at this, everything is work. Now I have unlimited points in Brandly. It's so easy. Thank you for watching. Bye.